How to make money on Udemy. Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can make money on Udemy. Everyone loves making money one way or the other, and you can always do this on Udemy. But one thing you have to know is that for you to be able to make money on Udemy, you have to know how to teach. And not just knowing how to teach, you have to know how to communicate what you know properly in an eye-catching manner. So the first thing to do is to create an Udemy account. Once that is done, log in into your Udemy account just like I have done here. Then after that, become an instructor on Udemy. How do you become an instructor? Now on the Udemy page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see Udemy business. Then next to it, you'll see teach with us. Currently, my account has been registered as an instructor on Udemy. That is why this is coming up. But if you're not yet an instructor on Udemy, by this on this side of the screen, all you need to do is to click on teach with us there. Once you click on it, sign up as a tutor and then create your course. Ensure that while creating your course, you while creating your course, you create it effectively by adding all the necessary things that can make people learn in a way that your course can be recommended by others and downloaded fast and easily. The more people get your course, the more money you have. And one thing you must ensure is that you join Udemy Deals membership. Once you do this, you'll be open to more opportunities on how to make money on Udemy. I am sure this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching.